Hello, my name is Maddie Moo, and I would be so grateful if you could support me and my channel by subscribing. Here are 15 quick, quirky, fun facts about animals and nature, in conjunction with my book. Okay, let's dive straight in. Chameleons are famous for their color-changing skin, but it's not for camouflage. It's actually for communication and temperature control. They shift colors by adjusting the spacing of tiny crystals in their skin that reflect light differently. A relaxed chameleon might be green, but when it gets excited, it can turn yellow, red, or even blue. Let's talk about camels. Camels don't store water in their humps. They store fat, which provides energy when food is scarce. Their nostrils can trap moisture from exhaled air, recycling water back into their bodies. Even their oval-shaped red blood cells help them survive, allowing blood to flow smoothly even when dehydrated. Giraffes have the highest blood pressure of any land animal, almost double that of humans, to pump blood up their long necks. Their heart is about 2 feet long and incredibly strong to keep circulation steady. Plus, their unique blood vessel system prevents them from passing out when they bend down to drink water. The Arctic foxes are tiny survivalists who can endure temperatures as low as -98 degrees Fahrenheit without shivering. Their thick fur changes color with the seasons, white in winter to blend with snow and brown in summer for camouflage. They even use their bushy tails as cozy scarves to stay warm while sleeping. Octopuses are escape artists with the ability to squeeze through spaces no bigger than their beaks. They can also change color and texture instantly, mimicking coral, rocks, or even other sea creatures. Some species, like the mimic octopus, can impersonate multiple animals, including venomous ones, to avoid predators. Okay, let's talk fireflies. Fireflies produce their signature glow through a chemical reaction called bioluminescence, which doesn't create heat. Different species flash in unique patterns like secret codes to attract mates. Some sneaky fireflies even mimic other species' flashes to lure them in and eat them. Did you know ants have some of the most extreme survival skills, including forming living rafts during floods by linking their bodies together? Some species farm fungus for food, while others herd aphids like tiny cattle to collect their sugary secretions. There's even a species called the Dracula ant that moves its jaw so fast it breaks the speed record for animal movements, snapping shut in just 15 microseconds. Did you know bamboo is the fastest growing plant on Earth? It can shoot up nearly 3 feet in a single day. This rapid growth helps it recover quickly from natural disasters like wildfires or deforestation. It also contains natural antibacterial properties, making it resistant to pests without the need for pesticides. What about the praying mantis? Did you know the praying mantis is the only insect known to have stereo vision, meaning it can judge depth and strike its prey with insane accuracy? Some species have evolved to look exactly like flowers or leaves, making them nearly invisible to both predators and prey. They're also one of the few insects that can turn their heads a full 180 degrees to scan their surroundings. Did you know butterflies taste with their feet? Tiny sensors allow them to sample plants just by landing on them. Some species, like the monarch butterfly, contain toxins that make them poisonous to predators. The deadliest trick? Some butterflies mimic those toxic species even though they aren't poisonous themselves, fooling birds into leaving them alone. Oak trees are master strategists. They don't produce the same number of acorns every year to keep animals guessing. Some years they produce almost none, while in past years they drop thousands, overwhelming predators and ensuring some acorns survive to sprout. Their roots also form underground networks with fungi, allowing them to share nutrients and even warn other trees of threats. Did you know rainforests create their own rain? Moisture from plants and trees constantly evaporates, forming clouds that drop water back down. The dense canopy blocks out sunlight, so many plants have evolved large, waxy leaves to capture as much light as possible. Some trees even grow walking roots, shifting slightly over time to find better soil and sunlight. Did you know dolphins can see with sound, using echolocation to map their surroundings in complete darkness? They sleep with only half of their brain at a time, keeping one eye open to stay alert for danger. Even cooler, they have unique whistles that act like names, allowing them to recognize each other individually. Let's talk about sharks. Sharks have been around for over 400 million years, and they are older than dinosaurs. They can detect tiny electrical signals from prey using special organs called the ampullae of Lorenzini. Some species, like the Greenland shark, can live for over 400 years, making them one of the longest living vertebrates on Earth. And finally, Let's take a look at jellyfish. Jellyfish have no brain, heart, or bones, yet they've survived for over 500 million years. Some species, like the immortal jellyfish, can reverse aging and start their life cycle over again. Their tentacles contain tiny harpoons filled with venom, capable of stunning prey in milliseconds.